Hey guys, we're at Beacon Heights, an overlook, and we're like, you know what? We're just gonna go ahead and go to Grandfather Mountain State Park and spend a ton of money to get there. We're just gonna go ahead and go to Grandfather Mountain State Park and spend a ton of money to get there. It's about 50 bucks to get in for the two of us, so hopefully the views are worth it. Because we're a little tired. I don't know if we're gonna do the 12 miles of hiking they have there. All right, going up the stairs, Deanna. Can you handle it?
Yeah.
40 people at once. I think we're less than 40. You're pretty heavy.
Now we're rolling.
So that's where we parked over there. I think we're gonna try to hike up there if they have a trail going up there. We have done zero research. This was kind of a, hey, there's a park across the way. Let's go over there and check it out.
We don't have a map either.
We don't have a map of the trail, so we're just gonna kind of wing today and take you along with us. Pretty epic, guys. We're like the only ones on the bridge now. Grandfather Trail. No idea which one is actually goes up to the top.
It says permits are required to hike this trail.
Oh, Scaling Cliffs. Well guys, we're gonna start going towards Callaway Peak. That's what we're gonna write on our little information form here. But we may not make it up there because we've hiked over 20 miles in the last couple of days and we're kind of tired. So we'll just go up. We need to put some destination on there so you know which path we're heading, but we may turn around a little bit early. We just want to be able to see some cooler views up a little bit higher. When thunder roars, go indoors. Okay?
Okay.
There are some ladders, so I might not be able to film too much because I did not bring any other GoPro mounts with me. Okay, this part looks really cool. Slightly overgrown point, Macrae Peak. Got our first intersection here.
I want to go that way.
Macrae Peak.
Yeah. So if we went that way, it's kind of just going to take us back to
Okay.
the parking lot eventually.
All right. Well, I guess we'll take Macrae Peak. Get a slight view off this way. That giant hotel. Still pretty cool. Let's keep going. It's definitely a good amount of rock scrambling through here. It's pretty much impossible to try to hold a GoPro in my hand while doing this, but this is my attempt here. There. You just got to go a little sideways with me. Definitely won't be able to film going up these ladders. But I can film Deanna going up the ladders at least. Made it the Grandfather Gap. Got to stay on trail through here. Pretty sweet views off behind us. And up we go. Yeah, some pretty epic views wherever you go around here. Let's keep going up. So you can't really see it. It's a pretty steep area with this cable here, but looks like we can dig into the trail to the left there and then climb our way over. So rather than slipping and breaking something or skinning our knee or something, we're gonna try to stick to the left here. Kind of reminds me of Turkey Run State Park a little bit. Don't worry about the rocks there on the bottom of it. Looks like it's supported by cables throughout the ladder system. So Shouldn't be too hard. First water break though, we haven't had any water yet. It's pretty steep, but not too bad. Then we'll be going up this way. This looks a little more treacherous trying to get between this rock. Butts are probably gonna get wet leaning up against that rock. Yeah, if I knew we were hiking this trail, I probably would have brought my head strap or chest strap or something. I'm gonna have to put you guys in my backpack here, I think. Well guys, sorry I couldn't really take you up here with us. There's a bunch of ladders and just steep rock scrambling I had to go up, and I just don't have anything to hold on to the GoPro while I'm doing that, so here we are. Can't see the ladder I don't think over here, but there's some pretty steep ladders off that way as well, climbing up that ridge line. So you pretty much just hike along this really rocky ridge, probably about 15-20 feet wide at most. Some places narrower than that. Yeah, if you're scared of heights, don't recommend this trail. Definitely pretty sweet though. All right guys, so we made it down a little bit further. Hello. Now we're turning into a slip and slide through here. Of course, the whole entire trail is kind of like a slip and slide when it's wet. So do not come up here when it's raining, my recommendation. The clouds are rolling in, more people are rolling in, so I think we turned around at a good point. Some of those places are really hard to get 2 lanes of people going through. So yeah, we actually only made it in about a mile into the trail. Not even a mile, this McRae Peak area.
This is a good map. Yeah. It's a little over, like 1.1 miles.
Yeah. So made it around this area here, but we didn't go all the way up here. Since the clouds and stuff are rolling in.
Your elevation change would be up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and then all the way up.
Yeah. So we basically almost made it up the Callaway Peak as far as elevation goes. Yeah. It's not quite as sprucey as the top of Mount Mitchell, but there's still plenty of spruce scattered throughout here. Well guys, the tourist attraction has now collected more individuals.
Yeah, there's a lot of people up there now.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this little adventure at Grandfather Mountain Park, State Park, Nature, whatever it is. If you enjoyed this adventure, hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. You can also check us out at
dnsadventures.com.
And as always,
adventure on.